Our forces are now to attack the Valahia's main base, an old USSR nuclear missile silo. The Valahia call this region Infern, Romanian for hell. Let's show them what real hell on earth is. The Valahia have already made a laundry list of impossible demands to the global community. The demands are backed by threats to nuke the US and Europe, but we can't give in to such tactics. We must take back the hostile facility before launch prep is completed, neutralizing the Valahia. Antara Squadron will enter the area before the ground forces, securing air supremacy. Slimani and his men are probably here too. It'll be a tough battle, but one I know you can win. Antara Squadron, let's do this.
Antara Squadron, launch. Antares, we have visual. That's the underground missile silo. Secure it and prevent them from firing nukes. We'll put an end to Valahia's terrorism here and now.
Hostile air forces approaching.
Burford, do you copy? I have a message from Dumitris for the IUPF. We are in the final stage to fire a nuclear strike.
What? Why?
This isn't a warning. It's a final declaration, Colonel.
Nuclear missiles are soon fired at North America and Europe. You don't have time to wait for your ground forces to arrive. The perfect situation. Now, Antares, it's time to fight. Let's see if you have what it takes to become a hero. Argolet Squadron, we're taking the Scorpion down today.
Captain! Captain! Behind you! Take him off!
I can't believe he felt like that.
All right, Antares. Now finish off the rest of them.
I can't believe the captain got shut down.
Just this how good he really was.
Julia, watch your mouth! Bye!
When did you all become such bad pilots?
One bandit remaining.
Screwed up.
All bandits confirmed destroyed.
Good work, Antares. This must have been difficult for you. But what's this Golden Axe plan all about?
Sir, we don't have much time to only launch a nuke.
That's right. Our work here isn't finished. Antares, things are already moving ahead. We can't afford to wait for the ground forces. You must fly into the missile silo and stop the nuclear launch. I know it sounds crazy, but it's our only option. It's in your hands now. Cleared out all ground forces. We're going into the fortress to destroy their facilities. After penetrating the fortress, head to the central control hub. Good luck. Proceed directly to the deepest part of the silo and destroy the missile control center. You can destroy that wall. Use your missiles. You're in Silo A. There's a passageway to the next silo ahead.
Impressive that you would dare to fly through here. You've heard of the Golden Axe plan by now. We are all just players on someone else's stage.
Time until the missile launch has been added to your MPG. That's Silo B. There's a passageway to the next silo ahead on the right. The width of the passageway isn't consistent throughout. Be careful.
But our desire is real. If you want to stop us, come. However, you have little time left.
At Silo E, there's a passageway to the next silo on the right ahead. The control center should be up ahead. There's no need to panic yet. Destruction of enemy facilities confirmed. The Valahia should not be a military threat anymore. But in the process, we've uncovered their Golden Axe plan and its objectives. We must head to the U.S. to prevent this heinous plan from being executed.
The nuclear launch was averted and the Valahia wiped out. Great job, Antares Squadron. The Valahia leaders didn't try to escape. They died with their plan. Such ill-applied conviction. Now, with the Valahia threat eliminated, our duty as part of the IUPF is over. However, our work isn't done yet. We've also learned of the real threat, Golden Axe. And this plan is about to trigger further conflict in the U.S. As both an American citizen and a soldier manipulated by this plan, I'm driven to prevent it. As of right now, the M42 Squadron is leaving the IUPF and moving to stop the Golden Axe plan. Olivieri started the IUPF, and so informing them of our knowledge would mark us as targets. This will be our toughest mission yet. I won't force any of you, but I hope you'll join our cause.
The Valahia's betrayal sure had me shaking in my boots. But our boy Olivieri, he had it all under control.
And the gravy is that now there are fewer people who know about the Golden Axe plan. Less hands, more pie. If anything, he made us richer, right?
Oh, no, not yet. This is just pennies. I'm still expecting Mr. Olivieri to make us a lot more money.
The squadron, led by a man named Burford, has found out the truth about the Golden Axe plan.
Is he from your old roost?
They are righteous fools. They will move to stop us from our next plan. What shall we do, Mr. Olivieri?
Why not do what you're hired to do? I give you the money and the ammunition. You do the rest. Just make sure you kill everyone that knows the plan. That'll be all. Mr. Soleimani.
I'll debrief you on the operation. First, let me thank you for choosing to join us. After the op in Central Asia, we left the IUPF and came here to the Midway Islands by company ship. After resupplying here, we'll fly on to the United States. As some of our own men may be involved in the Golden Axe plan, we're operating entirely in secret. Please understand, this means we may have to operate without adequate repairs and supplies. I have managed to make arrangements with someone we can trust to have company ground forces. What was that? Report!
We are under attack! Unknown hostile forces have surrounded the island!
They don't miss a beat. Antares, they're here to eradicate all who know the truth about the Golden Axe plan. We can't allow that to happen. We must reach U.S. land and stop their plan. Everyone, roll out!
Antares Squadron, launch.
Antares, you're clear for takeoff. Antares' altitude restriction canceled. Good luck up there.
Multiple bogies. We're completely surrounded.
Must be private forces to continue the Golden Axe plan without Valahia. Antares, AWACS is unable to take off immediately. Eliminate hostile forces. This is Burford on board Canopus. Supply ship Orca, respond. Orca, come in. Orca! Antares, you've got to hurry. targeting the supply ships. Antares, defend Orca. Supply fleet is comprised of 4 ships. Escort them safely to the Midway Islands. Antares, well done, but the situation's only getting worse. Another one of those large aircraft appeared. We suspect they're here for us again. Looks like they want to eliminate anyone who knows about the Golden Eggs plan. We can't afford to just give in. Take them down, Antares.
Hostile destroyed!
Put on top of the main wing.
Running low on ammo. Deploy anti-air missiles. Shoot those dogs down. Sound and charge. We're giant down. One more remaining.
Warning. Inbound missile.
Armament 2 is out of ammo.
Terrace, thank you for all of your efforts.
I have to admit, I thought that was the end for us. Colonel, any update on our request for military support?
I've been trying various routes, but I haven't been able to make contact with them yet. There must be GA moles in the system. That's probably how they knew to find us here.
I guess we're fighting a lonely battle.
Hostile forces have been destroyed. Excellent work, Antares. We're safe, for now. But this has made several things clear. For one, whoever's behind the Golden Axe plan wants us dead. Second, the plan extends into our own company and military. We've also received reliable intel from our supply line that the Golden Axe plan is set to hit San Francisco. There's suspicious activity at an abandoned airport in Nevada and sightings of the giant aerial base. The largest city in the vicinity is San Francisco, where Olivieri Life Insurance is located. After resupplying, we're headed stateside. Our target, the Golden Axe Plan's private army.
Mr. Olivieri, I will now outline the final phase of the Golden Axe Plan. The attack on San Francisco. The Golden Axe Plan's forces are already assembled at an abandoned airport in Nevada. They are an elite force, comprised of mercenaries along with the most capable of the Valahia refugees. Work on the Spiritus has finished in the Sierra Nevada mountains, including a weapons upgrade. These forces will lead the attack on San Francisco. The outbreak of war on American soil will surely bring your plan to fruition, Mr. Olivieri.
I've heard that there are some now who know the truth of our plan.
Yes, sir. A unit affiliated with the IUPF did learn the truth, but they have been dealt with.
I see. Good work. This is the most important phase of the GA plan. It's time the world felt the edge of our axe.